Hey there car enthusiasts. Today we are taking a look at the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover, the ultimate solution for those annoying scratches and swirls on your car's paint. If you want to give your vehicle that showroom shine once again, this is the product for you. With our specially formulated compound and included buffer pad, you can easily remove years of wear and tear from your vehicle's paint. Not only that, but it will also restore the gloss and shine of your paint, bringing it back to its original brilliance. Say goodbye to water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants. Our ultimate paint restorer does it all. We formulated our products to ensure they are the best, professional grade, but easy enough for anyone to use. Plus, it's safe for all paint colors and made right here in the USA. And if you're not 100% satisfied, we'll refund you in full. That's how confident we are in our product. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover today and give your car the TLC it deserves. Don't settle for less, go for the best and see the difference for yourself. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car care tips and reviews. Happy detailing!